Good morning, first graders. Miss Kyler here with Number Corners. Now, I hope that you had a fantastic break and a wonderful Thanksgiving. Now it is time for you to use your first grade predicting skills to figure out what will be on our calendar card for today. Make sure you look at the pattern. Now, let's go ahead and see if your prediction was correct. Did you predict that there would be four little mice saying nibble, nibble? Let's go ahead and take a closer look at this calendar card. So on our calendar card today, we see that there are four little mice and they're going nibble, nibble. We have to come up with a sentence to represent this card. So let's go ahead and look at yesterday's card. And on yesterday's card, we see that there is a pie and it is separated into fourths. We have four equal parts and we know we call those fourths. Now, we could say the four mice shared the pie. They each received a fourth of the pie. So they each got 1/4 of the pie. Now let's go ahead and say today's date for today. And you know, whenever we say our date, we always start with the day of the week. And today is Monday, November 30th, 2020. Let's say that one more time together. Monday, November 30th, 2020. Now, first graders, let's go ahead and say our days of the week. And we always start with Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And from our calendar, we know that today is Monday. So let's go ahead and use our first grade reading skills and figure out yesterday was. What was yesterday? If today is Monday, yesterday was Sunday. Good job. So now let's keep going. Tomorrow will be. What will tomorrow be? Tuesday. Good job. Okay, let's go on. Now we're going to say our months of the year, and we always start with the first month, January, and go all the way down to this month, which is November. So let's go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. And we know that November is the 11th month of the year. Oh, now it's time to write our date, and we know we can write our date two different ways. The first, we have to write the month's number, and the month of November is the 11th month. And today is the 30th, and our year is 2020, but you know me so well, and you know I only write the two last digits, that 2 and that 0, and now we're going to write the abbreviation and bring down that 30, comma, 2020, all four digits. Now, my favorite, how many days have we been in school learning and growing together? When we left on last Tuesday, we were all the way up to 57 days. 57 days. Today's a brand new day, so we have to add one more square. And now we know we've been learning together 58 days. So, as always, I'm going to write my number 58, and then I'm going to write the word 58. And we know that 58 is a two-digit number. It has a 5 in the tens place and a 8 in the ones place. And remember, for all of November, I continued with the fact family, so let's go ahead. We know that 5 tens makes the number 50, and we know that 8 ones makes the number 8, and 50 plus 8 makes 58. And we're just going to switch it out. That's what fact families are. Same numbers, change the order. So we're going to put that 8 in the front, that 50 in the back, and we're going to have 8 plus 50 makes 58. And now we have the product because we're doing the subtraction, right? So we're going to move that 58 to the front. And let's go ahead and take away 8. 58, take away 8 makes 50. And we're going to move 58 down. And we're just going to switch the 8 and the 50. We're going to move that 50 here. And we know 58, take away 50 makes 8. Okay. So you know for November, we were working on collecting hours in a day. On last Tuesday, we had the time 11 o'clock. We have the hour hand on the 11 and the minute hand pointing to the 12. And we know when it's pointing to the 12, we say o'clock. So let's go ahead and collect one more hour. Watch my hour hand. Now we see that both the minute hand and the hour hand is pointing to the 12, and we would say 12 o'clock. Here, Miss Kyler's going to write it. And now we're all done with the 11 o'clock hour, so I'm going to go ahead and color this in because this section is for the 11 o'clock hour, and we are done with that. We're now back in the 12 o'clock section. So we are now back here. It's now 12 o'clock. I'm going to go ahead and add another circle because we've collected 12 whole hours. We're at noon. When we have collected 12 hours in our day, we call this noon. Now, my first graders, I need for you to go ahead and exit out of this video, click on that arrow, and start on your class kick assignment. I will see you later. Bye-bye.